The biggest mistake for the ANC is it thinking that it will survive without Jacob Zuma. One thing that the ANC fails to recognize is that Jacob Zuma is the last remaining genuine ANC stalwart. All of these other people that are called stalwarts and veterans are of a very low caliber compared to Baba Jacob Zuma. That is a fact that no one can deny. The ANC is self-destructive, and the future will be the evidence.